Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix no sound and audio problems on Roblox. It's quite easy and straightforward, and in this video I will show you a few solutions, so stay tuned. So first of all, open your Roblox client and then go to the game. And once you are in the game here, as you can see here, press escape, go to settings, and make sure that your volume is somewhere in the middle, right? As you can see here, it's working for me. But if the problem persists, what you need to do here, then you need to close the Roblox here and then go to on search and just write sound settings. And on this window, make sure that your output and input is the right one. And then what you need to do here next is to go to advanced sound options here and make sure that your Roblox game is not muted. So if I turn Roblox on again, as you can see here, we need to wait until Roblox appear. Make sure that is on the right volume here, and also this mute button is not on, right? And if the problem persists, what you need to do here next is to go to close the window here, go on search and just write control panel, and then go to programs and features, close the Roblox, search here for Roblox and uninstall. Maybe you have corrupted files. And once you uninstall the Roblox, as you can see here, it's uninstalled. If you want to get back Roblox, go to the browser, log into your account and select some sort of game, as you can see here. And when I'm loading the game, as you can see here, it should appear basically new message here that says you're moments away from getting into the experience, download and install Roblox. So press on that, select where you want to have your Roblox here, press save, press join, not join, you need to install it here. As you can see here, installing Roblox. And it is installed, and then try to run the game on the client here, and your problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.